Okay, I had an issue with the end of the first video, so I'm picking it up with number 22. Looking for a box plot. All right, 5 number summary. The easiest way, I mean, there's several ways of going about it. For instance, if I want to find the median, middle number, well, I've got an even amount of numbers. I got 20. So take 20, cut it in half. I got the between the 10th and the 11th number. Average those two out. Halfway between 3, 4, and 3, 5 is 3.45. All right. That's the difference between, unfortunately, what you answered and the correct answer. But what I told folks in the PowerPoint is the easiest way of going about to guarantee you get it right. I mean, you know the low and the high. It's the quartile 1, the quartile, the median, and the quartile 3. Put the numbers into a list. All right, L1. Go to stat, calculate one variable stat. The numbers in L1. And then the calculator will return, the 5 numbers, the minimum, 0.4, quartile 1, 2.1, there it is, median 3.45, unfortunately not 2.85, so that's the way. And here it is done out. This came from section 3233, where I put all the numbers into a list with the stat calculate, and the calculator gives me my 5 numbers, not that I needed to know the smallest and the biggest, but I needed the other 3, Q1, Q2, the median, and Q3. Odds against something happening is a fraction. It's a probability the thing does not happen in the numerator, or probability the thing does happen in the denominator. Probability you're guessing the correct answer when you have 4 choices. Well, there's only one that's right. 1 chance in 4. Probably you don't get it right is the complement. 3 chances in 4. 3/4 over 1/4, the lowest term. The 4's cancel out. It's 3 to 1. Here are a couple of examples. You have with 5 choices, multiple choice, probability of getting it right, 1 chance in 6. The numerator, probably you don't get it right. There's 5 wrong answers, 5 chances in 6. The 6's cancel out, giving you an answer of 5 to 1. And probability of someone riding to work by bike is 25%. That's a fraction, 1/4. Probability of someone does not ride is a complement, 3/4. 3/4 in the numerator, 1/4 in the denominator, 4's cancel out, leaving you 3 to 1. Probability of something A happening or B. All right. It's probably the first plus the probability of the other thing happening minus probability of both. But in this case here, these events are what's known as mutually exclusive. By that I mean you can't draw a face card and a 4 at the same time. You have a face card, you got a 4. Probability of drawing a face card. Well, there's 12 in the deck. 12 chances in 52. How many 4s in the deck? There are 4 of them. Clubs, diamonds, hearts, spades. 4 over 52. The sum is 16 over 52. Lowest terms, 4 chances in 13. Here's an example dealing with dice. The idea is these events are mutually exclusive. You can't roll a 9, a 10, 11, and a 12 at the same time. And you're adding each probability of a 9, 4 chances in 36. Why? You get a 3 and a 6, or a 6 and a 3, or a 4 and a 5, or a 5 and a 4. And the same thing for 10, 11, and 12. So hopefully that does the trick.